Hey guys, my name is Pranjal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys all are just doing really well. So guys, today I'm here to tell you one story. A story is like it's a kind of a incident which was happened in the past with me, and this is the only incident who realized me that that how important this language is. So today I'm gonna talk about the language, the English language. That how did I learn English language and why did I learn English language? Because it's very important to know about it, right? Because what I'm just wondering is like you guys also must be facing some issues, in terms of this language. You also want to work in a corporate sector, but the thing is that your communication skills are not just up to the mark, and that is the reason that you guys are just not able to crack the interviews or not able to like work in a corporate sectors. Because if you want to work in a corporate sector or in like multinational companies, so I think your communication skills should be excellent because this is the first and a basic thing that they check inside you, that you have a good communication skills or not. Okay, so that's why I'm here, and that's why I just thought that I should share this incident with you guys as well. And it's the beginning of 2017 and I just went to Gurgaon to start walking. But I didn't think that I'm gonna struggle so much. To be very honest, I didn't think about it just because I went there and I thought that I can easily get the job because what I used to believe is like getting jobs is not like a big deal. So I just went there and I started searching jobs in in different companies. And what happened is like I got an opportunity to give an interview some of the companies, but the thing is that my communication skills were not too good at that moment, I would say that. And there was a reason that uh, many of many of the companies that rejected me, and they didn't hire me just because of I was not able to meet their criterias, right? And I was even not able to give my interview in English. I wasn't able to even introduce myself in English, in front of the interviewer. You can see that how weak I was in English, right? And then I was like completely frustrated. To be very honest, completely frustrated because I tried almost 10 or 15 companies and none of those companies hired me. All of those companies just rejected me just because of the communication skills. That my communication skills like are not good and they can't hire me. That was the reason that they used to tell me at the end of the interview that Pranjal, you can't work in our company just because of your communication skills are not good. And I was like, what is going on, what is happening with me? Like my communication skills like are too bad. Even not even one company just you know uh, rely on me. So that was the reason, and that was the reason that I realized, and that the moment that I realized that how important English is and how important communication skills is, you should have. Then only you can survive here. Then only you can just move to metropolitan cities in a big cities and start walking. So this is the only reason. And then I got one job, I would say that, and that was a domestic process, and I was like working there for just 8,000 rupees of salary, right? Because that was the only company who hired me, and that was not like very well known company, and I don't want to just mention the name of that company, but yeah, that was not like just a domestic company and not not just a good brand. So they were just giving me 8,000 rupees of salary and they hired me. And when I was just working there, while working in that company, I realized one thing: yes, I want to work hard, towards my communication skills, and I just want to work in one of the multinational companies in India. And that was my goal, which I set over there while working you know in that company. And then I started working on my communication skills. To be very honest, I started working and working very hard, very deliberately. I was desperate to know this language, and I was like desperate to speak in this particular language. I just wanted to clear all my interviews, and I just wanted to show them, yes, I'm a good communicator. I have a very good English communications, you can hire me, man. You can't just deny me, or you can't just reject me. So this is the thing that I used to think in the past when I started learning this language, and when I started working on this particular language. So like, and I would like to tell you, I never been to any of the institute or any of the English center to learn this particular language. To be very honest, I never been any of the center or any of the institute. So what I did, so what kind of elements that I use to learn this language? The first thing is technology. As you all know that we are just in a virtual world, and I took a help of these technologies. And yeah, I would say one of the major part which played a very huge role while my learning time is YouTube. I learned a lot of things from YouTube, to be very honest. And I was like, and I'm still learning from YouTube. Whatever I have a concern and whatever it is regarding the language, I just open the YouTube and I just search it, and I just you know I just searching it, and I just learn those things on YouTube or on Google, I would say. So Google, YouTube, and some of the books, reading newspapers, novels. Okay, these are the things and these are the elements which helped me a lot to increase my communication skills, to increase the level of my English. To be very honest, these are the only thing that can help you as well. So the first thing, started watching valuable videos on YouTube. Please don't waste your time. If your communication skills are not good and you want to increase it, just go on YouTube, search. There are millions of channels, I would say that, you know and they are teaching English very well, I would say. And there are some of the very well known channels as well that can help you to increase your communication skills, right? So just open YouTube and just search such videos on YouTube and start learning. This is the first thing. And the second is, start reading novels and a newspaper. This is also one of the best thing, right, which can help you. And third, started listening as much as you can, and started watching English content. So just try to consume English content as much as you can, and just try to listen English songs, English videos, English movies. Just started doing all these things, then only you can increase your communication skills. No institute, no English center can help you to increase your communication skills. It's just a fake thing, or it's just a myth that you can learn English within 90 days. You must have just seen those posters or something like that, who can challenge that you can learn English within a 90 days, which is not possible. Language is not just a thing which you can learn within a 90 days or within a year or something like that. No, language is a lifelong process, and it takes a very long time to learn it, right? Or if you want to get a good command on it, so I would say that you can learn it till the last breath of your life. It's not just a 90 days of program, right? So this is the thing. And I would say that, guys, you can also do the same, and you can also increase your communication skills, and you can also crack the interviews as well. Because I have seen many people, like, they are good at its studies, but yeah, still they are just facing a lot of issues in terms of communication skills, in terms of English, right? So that is the thing that holding them back. So just try to work on your weaknesses, and just try to upgrade yourself day by day. Okay. This is the thing which I did it in my past, right? I realized that my communication skills are not good, so that I started working on it. And today I can say that, yeah, I'm enough knowledgeable, or I can say that I have a enough command to speak in this particular language. Yeah, I'm working in an American company, and I handle American customers, I handle Canadian customers, I handle, like, USA customers. So I do not deal with an Indian customers. Whatever the deal that I do it, I do with the English countries people. Okay. And the Japanese as well. I have a good knowledge to speak in this particular language to any of the person. This is the kind of a confidence that I have right today. And this is the thing that you can do it. I just want to tell you is, like, it's not just like I'm praising myself. It's like something that I just want to tell you, like, you know I cracked one of the leading companies interview, right? Like, such as Accenture, Genpact, Wipro. These are the companies, whose interview I cracked it, and I have a offer letter and a joining letter of these companies in my mail. If you want, I can show you, right? And Accenture, Wipro, and these are the companies where the interview is not easy to give, right? These are the companies which take very tough interview. If you want to crack these interviews, so you'll have to be prepared first, then only you can crack these interviews. It's not easy to do it, right? And I cracked all these companies interview, and you know that these are the leading companies of India. So thank you so much, guys. And the moral of this story is like something. If you feel that your communication skills are not good, so you can just work on it and you can just improve it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I want to request you, if you guys haven't visited my YouTube channel, I would request you just go and visit my YouTube channel, subscribe it once, and just like my videos if you just find my videos relevant for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day ahead.